Hey there folks, here with another video for you. This one is about how to get watermarks and heat rings off of your wood furniture. And all we're going to do is we're going to take a towel. I've got it clamped to the table so it doesn't move around. And we're going to take our trusty little clothing iron. We're going to put it on max steam. And we're just going to start ironing back and forth. I'll put a before and after picture, just so you can get the idea. And there we have it, folks. The water ring seems to have disappeared. Now we're going to get rid of these few little spots here as well. And as you can see, folks, no more water rings, and we're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.